It is April 6th. I started this project in, I want to say November or December, and I just couldn't do it because I didn't have the right tools. But airbags for your rear springs on the Jeep Gladiator. Quick update there. I'm not doing a how-to, but I'll let you know what I did because it's a waste of time trying anything else in my opinion. Here we go. Okay, so real quick, what I did: unbolt your links, your track bar, your shock. Should be 5 bolts total, and spring will pop right out. Same way I put in my Terraflex 1/2-inch spacer here. This is the, I think it's the isolator that goes on top of the spring. I'm gonna pop it back in. This took me all of 20 minutes as opposed to fighting these bags. You can't compress them as much as they say you can. Don't fight them, just drop it. A little bit tricky with the wood over there, but much easier, much quicker. Just gotta make sure the end of your spring lines up here, and then I'm pretty sure this tab's gonna slot in up there, but I'll check that out after. Also make sure this is routed and not pinched out of the way. Alright, this took this for first test drive. Everything bolted up real easy. Ran the air lines over to the side of the bed right here. So actually I can show you. Hold up. Lock the truck. Okay. Ran my Schrader valve right down here. Got a couple switches I wired up as well, but right here, running them at 15 pounds. So these are stock springs. I don't know if you can see that. With the airbags at 15 pounds, it's lost the bounciness it used to have. Actually, it's a lot better now. Now that I'm shaking it, a lot better. So rides a lot better height as well. Not sure if you can tell on this video, but it's definitely riding better, and I've got 15 pounds more that I could put in. But I don't want to make it too harsh of a ride. I'll play with that another day. But yeah, works really well. I think for it's a $100 solution, I'm happy with it. So I'll update as I use it more. But thanks for watching.